Blessedness.
Good morning po, ma'am.
Good
Good
morning
morning,
po.
ma'am.
Good morning.
Okay.
Good morning po.
How
Morning
are you
po.
today?
Okay naman po.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so we will discuss. So before we, we will check later your work in what is that?
Lottery.
Yung three, no? Three or two? Ano bang hindi pa natin na-check?
3 po.
Oh,
3
three.
po.
But, yung three na yon hindi pa ninyo alam lahat na sagutan or nasagutan na?
Sagutan na po. Hindi pa
Are,
po.
are you
Hindi
sure?
pa, ma'am.
Hmm. Okay, so there are parts kasi no na hindi nyo pa alam sagutan. Okay, so balikan natin. Okay, ito, updated na ito. It's about, nakikita nyo, though I am sharing na, hindi pa pala.
Hindi pa
Hindi
po.
pa po.
Sorry. Wrong move. Ayan, okay. So this is updated worksheets na from the whole sa napansin nyo dito, it is week 2. No? So you are done na there. Then this is week 3. Okay, alin dito yung nasagutan nyo na lahat to? Sureness. I want to see your work here, ha? This is performance task. Wala kayong pinapasa sa akin kung paano nyo ginawa yan. You have to follow the instruction in the video. Hindi kayo mag-check niyan ako, ha? Yung ano na yan, art time. Then, so this is the week 4. Guys, natapos niyo ba yung art time?
Hindi pa po.
Hindi pa po, ma'am.
Hindi pa po.
Oh.
ko lang.
Okay. Alright. You know guys, pwede niyong gawin yan sa Canvas. Alam niyo ba yon? Do you know what is Canvas? Oh, pwede kayo mag-design doon, no? But you have to use that proportion. Pero pag hindi kaya, drawing na lang. Kasi magko-color eh. So I don't know how to put color in the canvas. Hindi ko alam kung paano siya gawin. Pero mas maganda yan sa na lang, sa papel yun na lang dyan. Okay? So, I think yung 4 na ano ko na, di ba? Na post ko na siya. Tama. Tama, okay. So, question dito, di ba? Madali lang to, kaya nyo na yan eh. So, you know already what is greater than and less than?
Opo.
Okay, so yung arrangement, how to add and multiply. Subject, this one. Okay, so ito yung hinahanap nyo na sinilip ko ulit kanina yung doon sa docs. Nawawala yung mga fraction. Well, naka-hide siya actually. Naka-hide talaga siya. Pero andyan na yon. And then dito, so sinama ko ba to? Hindi. Kasama, right? Ay, hindi ko ba sinama yan?
Hindi po, ma'am.
Ano sinama ko? Ito lang.
Opo.
Okay, so dito, nakita na itong kulay pula na yan. May instruction kasi yan, no? Supply the missing number in space provided. The smallest circle represents the rational number closest to but less than, and the biggest circle represents the rational number closest to but greater than the number given. So, use na item number 1 as your guide. Okay, using a tracing paper. No need to trace kasi wala naman talaga kayong iti-trace. You just copy. No? You just copy the circle. Okay, nakita nyo dito, the first one is done for, this is a primary color, the red, yellow, and blue, no? Okay, so, bakit pa nawawala yung ano? Ba't naging ganyan? Okay, so dito given yung 16 at saka yung, I think this is 49. 49 yan. 16 and 49, sa ibang ano naman, ang gitna niyan. Okay, so what do you think is a number na malapit sa 36 at saka sa 49? Mhm. What do you think?
40 po.
Okay, so pwedeng 40. Napansin nyo yung 36 at saka 49, perfect square yan. Okay? Perfect square. Yan. Okay, yung number 2, tingnan nyo, yung sa gitna, 15. What do you think is a perfect square that is less than 15? Hmm? Perfect square that is less than 15? Sige, August. Nervous?
Po.
Hmm?
Po.
Yes, 9. And the highest is? Yung mataas sa 15. Of course, 16. So, ang sagot dyan, 9 and 16. Okay? O, so alam nyo na isasagot yung kasunod. The same also, gagamitin doon sa kasunod, no? Okay, so alam nyo na you have to think the perfect square. Ano-ano ba yung mga perfect square? Hmm. Of course, nagsimula ka sa 4, 9, 16, ano pa kasunod? 16, 25, 36, 49, 64, 81, 100. Okay? So because it's our perfect square, then after the 100 is 112 or 121. I don't know, sorry, 121 and 144. That is for 11 and 12. So dapat alamin nyo yon, okay? Ganyan lang yung sagot niya, katulad nung 2. Ano ba yung nasa sa gitna dapat? So that is 4. Tapos yung mataas naman sa kanya, or mas malit sa kanya, so syempre,
1.
minsan 1 and then 4, no? So, ganun lang yun. Madali lang yan, okay? I'll give you time later to answer this. Okay, ito din, no? This is, ito na rin yung dulo. Name two consecutive integers between which the square root of the following numbers lies. So, share your solution. So, dito, what do you think is the integer? Oh, naku, okay, pwede nyo isulat like this. So, we have Bagal. Naghahang ang aking ano. Okay, so we have, for example, nasa gitna niyan. So because we are looking for ano, so we have 16. Then put at the center yung square root of 25 kasi hinahanap mo is name two consecutive integers between. So that means we need to put 20 at the middle. Okay, square root of 20, and then what is the next? Higher than 20, what is perfect square?
25.
Right, so 25. Okay, so but we know that the square root of 16 is what? 4, right? 4.
Opo.
So 4, tapos ipagitna nyo yung square root of 20. Then, of course, the square root of 25 is 5. So the two consecutive ons number that you're looking is what? Hmm? What is the two numbers or two consecutive integers that you are looking for?
4 and 5 po.
25.
Yes, it is 4 and 5. So the answer here, 4 and 5. Okay, so we have already the bonus for number 1. Okay, so ganun ang gagawin. Okay, sige. You do it now. I'll give you time to answer. Up. Naku, nawala na naman. So, you just be there. I'll give you time to do. Okay? For, ano ba? 15 minutes kaya? 10 minutes?
20 minutes.
Ha? 20 minutes. Okay, I'll give you time, na? So, i-off ko muna yung recording. 20 minutes. Go back at after 20 minutes. Tatawagin ko kayo agad. Okay?